Hello everyone, it's Caner by Fibrous team. I'm one of the business developer of Fibrous, and today we are going to take a quick tour of Fibrous. Here is our landing page, and on this page you can find a lot of information about Fibrous, our social media, and details about our team. And it's a good point for you. Don't hesitate to reach us, especially by the Discords and the mail. You can access the most competitive price by there. Our user-friendly interface is designed to make trading on Starknet more efficient and accessible for everyone. And also we are trying to develop the Fibrous to be a liquidity gateway in the different DApps, different interfaces, and anywhere you can use the Starknet. Here is the Fibrous app with the improvised UI to offer you the best DeFi experience. Before to start, like in a basic DeFi aggregator, we can start by connecting our wallets. You can choose Bravos, Argentex, and the Argent email version of it, but for this video I will continue with Argentex. Before to start, you can see that the wallet section of the Fibrous. You can see that your assets, your balance, your address, you're in the disconnect tab, and also with the history to the transaction you made it. It's good to know that in this history you will see that the best price of the Starknet. Next, let's start optimizing swaps on many of the major tokens available on Starknet. We will begin with ETH/USDC pair. Here you can enter the amount you have, select the maximum amount, or as you wish. I will continue with 0.1 ETH for the USDC pair. And yeah, here I can see that there is a root option for it, and it's for how we are aggregating. In this section, you can see that which AMMs and which pools we are going to use. Thank you, Ekubo. It's giving the best price for us within a 0.17% of the positive slippage. Let's swap. I confirmed my swap, and also it's really nice to know that I'm one of the Starknet holder and I'm not paying any commission to using, it's executed fastly, like in the giving the price, and also thank you for the Starknet's amazing infrastructure for this. And one of the features I'm most excited to show you is that the batch swap. Thank you for the Starknet's native account abstraction for this, because you can do a multiple token amounts for run the one transaction. It means that you can do many of the signatures in the one step to get the aggregated version of the batch swap. It's really easy to use it, and in this settings section you can set the slippage and choose the liquidity sources as you wish. All control is in your hands. Also, remember that you can use the liquidity sources in any way you want. We will be integrating every legitimate liquidity source that emerges on Starknet for you. And here you can see the 5 of the liquidity sources and the most common and usable. And also you can set your slippage tolerance as you wish. Mostly we are suggesting that 1% for the Starknet ecosystem, but within the increased liquidity, it can be increased. With Fibrous RFQ-based system, its algorithm always offering the best price and many of your favorite feature sets, it will continue to be developed to provide you the best DeFi experience. Use it, enjoy it, and stay with us, stay aggregated, and see you.